Hello children, welcome back to the English class. In the last class, I taught you the easy way to remember parts of speech through craft. In this class today, we'll learn little bit about all the parts of speech and noun and verbs through games. There are 8 parts of speech and I taught you the easy method of remembering this. That is P-PAN-SIVA. P-PAN-SIVA. That is P for pronoun, P for preposition, and A for adjective, N for noun, C for conjunction, then I for interjection, V for verb, A for adverb. So P-PAN-SIVA. In this way you cannot skip a single parts of speech. Now in this lesson we'll learn noun and verb. So let's start. A noun is a name of a person, place, thing, idea, condition or quality. For example, let's read few sentences to recognize which one is a noun. Suppose I'll say first sentence, Meera is a melodious singer. I live in Delhi. There is a big table in the center of the room. Our joy and sorrow are parts of life. Honesty is the best policy. So in these 5 sentences, see the words in bold letters. These are called the names. Like Meera is a name of a person. Delhi is the name of a place. Table and room are the things. And joy and sorrow are the conditions. Honesty is a quality. So these are having a name. So these are called the nouns. So everything in a sentence which is having a name is called a noun. Now let's see what is verb. A verb is a word or group of words that describes an action, experience or express a state of being. Like studying, thinking, prepare, realize, believe, looking, seeing, watching. Whatever you do in action is called a verb. You cannot understand? Do you understand? Let's play a game to understand it more easily. Now let me give you few words and we have to find out whether we can do this or not. So let's start the game. First word I am going to give you is laugh. Yes, you can laugh. Very good. Cry. Yes, you can cry. Very good. Run. Yes, you can run. Very good. Apple. Oh, you cannot do apple. Correct. Cat. No, you cannot do. Okay. Tree. No, still you cannot do. Tiger. No. Okay. Dance. Yes, you can do. Or sing. Yes, you can do. So these things you can do. So let's see, in these things we can observe that few things we cannot do in action. So those things which we cannot do through action, we cannot enact are called the noun or the naming words. Like apple, cat, I showed you tree, the tiger or the bed, birds, boat, boy, etc. are the naming words because these things we cannot do in action. Okay. Similarly, few things I showed you that you did by acting or that you did. So those things like eating, writing, thinking, walk or run, play, etc. are the things that you can do. So these are called the verbs. Clear? Now all of you understand, I think. Let's play the game again. And this time you have to recognize which one is noun and which one is a verb. So let's play again. And this time you have to say whether noun or whether it is a verb. Okay? No need to show the action. Let's start again. Climbing. Yes, very good. Verb. Talking. Very good. Pulling. Very good. Verb. Raise your hand. Yes, this is also a verb. Now book. Oh, very good. Noun. Cricket bat. Correct. Pen. Yes, very good. So these are the naming words of the noun. So I hope children all of you understand what is a noun and what is a verb, and you can differentiate these two in a sentence. Thank you for watching children. Goodbye. Have a good day.